So the Fed just raised their rate 0.75% again. That's back to back to back. And mortgage rates are still high. Why is that going on? Let's talk about it. So the Fed keeps raising their rate because their whole job is try to control inflation. They let inflation go crazy. And so they're raising their rate again to keep trying to control inflation. The problem is inflation keeps coming in higher and higher. So yes, they're trying to control it, but they're not getting far enough yet to be able to control inflation because it got out of control to begin with. So as a result, every time the Feds raise their rates, mortgage rates have gone down, but then inflation keeps creeping back and getting a little bit worse. As inflation gets higher, mortgage rates have got higher. So we're going to probably see this pattern probably till about November. We're kind of in a sideways pattern. We're just going up and down and up and down and up and down. But at some point, we're going to start seeing those inflation numbers start coming back down. As the Fed keeps raising their rate, we'll see the inflation come back down. And as a result, good news, mortgage rates will finally start coming back down too. Bad news is we're probably going to have a recession, but that's not bad for housing. If you watch my video on recessions, it's not a bad thing at all because other than 2008, when housing caused the recession, housing's done very well during the recession time. So yes, it's painful right now. Yes, mortgage rates are bad right now. But what we're going to see is this: the Fed keeps trying to control inflation. At some point, we're going to start seeing that inflation coming down. And I'm really thinking that's going to be probably in the mid to end of Q4 this year. So November, December, and really next year, there's a great chance we're going to start seeing rates drop down to 4s, maybe the 3s, but I doubt that unless the recession's really bad. But hey, rates in the 4s are great. And we'll really start seeing the housing market solidify. We're going to see it so there's not such a shortage of houses, good mortgage rates, and everything's going to stabilize and start moving forward again at a reasonable pace, not as crazy as it's been. So I hope that helps. And if you like this information, definitely subscribe to my channel, like it, make a comment. And if you want to know more, reach out to me and I'm happy to help. Have a great day and I'll talk to you soon.